Masina Hospital. So we've been using the Airvo 2 machine since the last 3 to 4 months in our COVID ward especially, and it's actually been a very good experience. We've had many patients who've required it for a few days, and we could while starting it at the right time prevent further deterioration, reduce the work of breathing of the patient. And the good part about this machine is that it is a very simple, a stand with a easy trolley can be taken bedside to the patient. We don't have to shift the patient to a specific unit. It requires just two things, a plug for the electricity supply and the oxygen port, which is there at every bedside almost. And even when you have to initiate it, there are just two simple things. There is just one humidifier and one patient mask interface. So of course you can have a interface to the tracheostomy, a mask, but what we've been using very often is the nasal cannula interface, and the nasal cannula is also, so it's very easy to train our staff to start using the machine. Patients are very comfortable because after a point if the patient requires a very high level of oxygen requirement and you have to put them on a mask, so every time they have to eat the mask has to be removed if there are not enough attendants inside the ward, especially with the way our wards have been full. They sometimes remove while sleeping, the patient's mask come out. So this ensures that you get humidified air at a specific flow rate, the flow rate up to even 60 liters per minute, and we can actually titrate the exact amount of FiO2 that we give to the patient. So we actually come to know in a very objective manner what is the improvement in the patient's lung capacity.
Hi, my name is Parizad. My dad was admitted in the Masina Hospital last month for COVID, and I must admit that the staff and the doctors at Masina Hospital were just absolutely wonderful. His recovery was well taken care of. I would also like to make a mention of a particular machine that was used on Dad's on Dad for his recovery, which was the HFNC machine that Masina Hospital used, and it really helped him in speeding up his recovery from the COVID infection that he had got. So I really need to put in a word saying thank you very, very much, each and every one of you all. I really and truly appreciate this. Thank you.